Hello from InterDecco again. Today we're making bunnies for Easter. There's two examples that will be featured in this video, and we're going to start with the black bunny first. I'm going to take this lovely bunny away first. So what do? Recently I found a bag of pompons for $2 from the opportunity shops. So that's what prompted the idea for me to make bunnies. So what I have, 2 pompons, okay, and I will need different color pompons for the decorations and some additional stickers or different color felt for the ears and for the feet. Okay, so how do we do that? So we need to stick the pompons first, and that's why we're going to use a glue gun. So to stick together the 2 pompons to make one bunny, we're going to put some glue and put 2 pompons together. For the bunny's feet, what we've done, I've cut up some feet from the black felt, and I've cut up some ears, okay, and I also decided to make them more appealing, so I've decorated the ears with some pink. Either stickers or the same felt can be glued together. So next, those 2 pompons will have their moment. I have to put some glue on. Obviously the bunnies have large feet, and we're going to stick them on like this. So press, and the shape of the bunny is already appearing. So what's next? The ears. I'll put a little bit of glue on the bottom of the ear and press. I'm going to do the same thing with the other ear, and next to it, press. And here we are. Our bunny is already taking shape. What next? What next? We need some eyes, and we need maybe a nose, cheeks, whatever we want. So for this reason, you can use googly eyes if you want to, but I always find it easier to use just a simple googly eyes. We're going to do the same thing. One eye and the next, and here we are. Next, we want to use some of the pompons for the tail and for the cheeks. And again, you can use any color you want, any size of the pompon you want, but I find for the cheeks, like the little pompons are really nice. And maybe a fluffy little bunny tail. I'm going to make a little bit bigger this time. And let's go. We're just going to put the cheeks. We're not going to put whiskers this time because my favorite bunny is more with pompons. Here we go. And bunnies have beautiful fluffy tails. So I'm going to use my pompon. Put a little bit of glue. And here we are. So this is my bunny. If you feel that the bunny is a little bit wobbly, maybe you can put it on an extra cardboard and let it dry for a little bit, because the pompons are quite soft, so they need to harden a little bit. If the bunny tends to fall down, you can also put a little bit of support at the back, or maybe make it lean towards the wall so it doesn't fall. Okay, so here we are, 2 bunnies with different color tails. Okay, so this is the first, creation. We're gonna take these little bunnies for a walk. They're gonna hop away. Okay, and we're gonna do the next experience. So I've got pre-cut shapes of the bunny, just the face and the ears. So what you can do, you can trace it from the felt, from other craft materials, from fabric, whatever you want. You can even make it like a 2D bunny with a blanket stitch. Please have a look at my previous video, exactly the same thing how I did with the birds. Now, this time I'm going to show you different type. So pre-cut, bunnies. And all I need to do here is actually find some googly eyes, because we're mainly into creating animals for Easter. So here we go. A little bit of glue, one eye, and the next eye. Again, maybe I can do some lovely cheeks, because bunnies have lovely cheeks, as far as I'm concerned. Here we go. Oh, and the next one. If you want to, you can add whiskers. You can add smiley face. You can draw a smiley face. That's entirely up to you. You can decorate the ears. You can, for example, add black here. Maybe I can just trim it a little bit and I can show you. So the opposite version, what I did with the other bunny. Here we go. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put one here. Oh, a little bit sideways, but it's okay. Nobody's going to get upset. And here we are. Okay, so this is very easy experience to be made with children. This is the experience that you can make at kindergartens, in the childcare centers with children for Easter, for something that they can take home. You can just get them to pre-cut the experience, and you can get them just to glue gun or draw the eyes or put some pom-poms, do creation with the ears any way you want. So that can be entirely successful experience to be taken home. So I'm adding a little bit more, and you can allow the children to be creative as much as they want to be creative. Okay? Maybe they can draw, maybe they can add some, other different materials, just to give them a provocation for them to get some ideas and do that. So these two particular experiences are working really well with the Australian Early Years Learning Framework or Victorian Early Years Learning Framework, and they are in line with the Learning Outcome 4 or Learning Outcome 3, because it works really with their fine motor skills, and in particularly Learning Outcome 3.2 or Creations Learning Outcome 4.2 and 4.1. So please, everybody from the kindergarten teaching or education community in Australia, feel free to reuse this experience for children, for crafting experiences or something they can take home as a little present for Easter. If your child or a family is not maybe celebrating Easter, it's still okay to make bunnies, because they're real animals and they can celebrate the existence of bunnies. Plus, you can read some stories to accompany this experience, and you, as an educator, maybe give them a provocation or inspiration for them to be creative any way they want. Okay, so to recap what we've done, we've used some pom-poms, stickers, glue, and you can use PVA glue or can use simple glue, or you can use glue gun if you're working with an adult. That's entirely up to you. And we can use the template from different color cardboard. And this is what we've done. Okay. And even to that extent, as educators, if you feel that the children, they need a little bit more assistance or they need some more inspiration, you can do a bunny even with one pom-pom. Okay? Nice and easy and simple activities. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe for InterDecco, because in the future we will be posting more early childhood experiences to motivate you, to give you some ideas, and to assist you with your planning process with the children. Thank you very much from InterDecco. Feel free to comment and like us. Have a wonderful day.